Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about synchronous dimensioning. Now, many viewers may have the confusion that what is meant by synchronous dimensioning. So, we are going to clear that doubt in this video. Along with that, why do we use the synchronous dimension? Suppose if a client says to you or the customer demand is that whatever the dimension of this, suppose let me just measure this from that piece. Select object here, this one to this one, and choosing the vector for the accuracy, this is 60. Now, suppose the client says that I need this dimension to be 80. So, what a basic user do, he will go to the move command and then increase it by 20. So, this is the basic method. Now, we are going to have the advancement regarding this method. So how we are going to achieve that 80 mm of distance using the synchronous dimension. So synchronous dimensioning plays a vital role in changing the model while keeping the use at ease. So just go to the synchronous modeling group, then go to more, and here first you need to be in the modeling, then just go to home, then go to synchronous modeling, then go to more, and here you'll find the heading of dimension. Under dimension, you'll find the three dimensions, which are linear dimension, angular dimension, and radial dimension. So I'm just going to start with the linear dimension. And before we start with these commands, I would like to tell you that this is a short and crisp tutorial regarding the dimensions. So I'm just going to cover these dimensions in a very quick but in a friendly way so that you can understand that what we are doing in this tutorial. So just be focused with these options in the dialog box. The very first one is regarding the origin, that it says select origin object. So you want to lock the origin. Basically, the origin is not going to change. So I'm just going to lock this face. To lock this face, I'm just going to select this edge. So I'm going to click on this. Now the origin has been selected. Now it is asking for the select measurement object. So I'm just going to select this edge. Now it is asking for the placement of the location for the dimension. So you can see this is 60, and what client has said to have this dimension as 80 mm. So I'm just going to type it as 80, and you can see this has been increased by 20. So this is the direct editing method without going into the move face command, because in move you have to do a calculation regarding this. This is a general or very basic demonstration regarding this command. And when you are going to apply these commands at industrial level, so these commands are going to be very useful so that you can increase your productivity. So I'm just going to click on OK. This has been gone to 80 without using the move command. Instead of that, we have used the synchronous dimensioning tools. Then we have the angular dimension. Suppose I want to change the angle between these two faces, this face and this face, and I want this face to be fixed, because you can say that if we are going to change the dimension, so why it is going to impact only the other thing, not the both things. Why that? Because this is going to be the origin, and origin doesn't change the place, as we have discussed in the linear dimensions also. So I'm just going to select this face and just going to select this face in the measurement, and here comes the angle. The angle is 114.9. And here also you can see it is highlighting as 65. So I'm just going to give it as 70. Just give it a try whether it is going to have that or not. So before that, I'm just going to place this, and now it has exactly shown you the angle because I have not just clicked. So I'm deliberately doing that errors so that you can catch that what we are lacking. So before getting this reading, you have to just click in the graphics window. So now I can increase or decrease this angle. Like I want to give this angle as 120. So this is going to be 120, and then show results. So this is how you can do the same thing on this side as well, keeping the angle as 120. So basically we are just going into the model with the rapid direct editing. Why so? Because in some cases there is the demand of the customer that I need this product very quickly, and we are going to get confused that what command are going to be get used if there are some changes regarding the dimension, which is related to the linear then you have the angular, then you have the radial. So these three basic commands regarding the synchronous dimensions are going to play a vital role in this. So at last, I'm just going to get into the radial dimension, and here you can increase the radius. So I'm just going to increase the radius as 30. So this is how it is going to get displayed. Suppose if I want to make these two radiuses or these two cylinders as equal radii. So for that, just go to the radial dimension, and I'm just going to select this, then this, and click on OK. Now you can see this is showing you as 22.5. So then click on OK, and it will just end that group. So this is how you can make the use of synchronous dimensions, and we have completed that topic. I hope you have enjoyed the synchronous dimensioning topic, and if you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks so much.